Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the case study of Find My File app. Over the next few hours, we are going to the journey through the entire creation process of this application, from the initial idea to the final published product. So, how did we build it? Let's take a high level tour of the architecture. Think of it like a blueprint. We have four main sections that work together in this application. The first one is the Android app itself, there's the user interface and the on device logic. We will see how we have used Jetpack Compose to build the UI and a view model to manage the state. The second is the local database. This is the workhouse of the application. We have used Google's recommended database library room, which stores the indexed content of all the files. This is what is making this application so fast. Third, our backend services, which are all powered by Firebase. This is where we handle user authentication, user account, security, subscription, run a secure backend code with cloud functions, and so on. And finally, our third party services like Razorpay for handling payments, which has been integrated into this slide.